Hi there, and thanks for looking at this project. I got this idea when I was a participant in Flowfest this week and thought, what a great opportunity just to learn and follow other experts in the field. And I got the participant challenge sheet here, and I wanted to try a couple of the challenges, so I picked 1 and 2 to do. First one, if you look at it, it's just find the closed won opportunity with the highest amount value. Then update the account related to the opportunity with the amount of the highest opportunity under the field annual revenue. And so what I have here, I'm in my organization, and these are all the opportunities, and it's sort of decreasing by price. So the highest opportunity is this one. It's the 915,000, and the account name is United Oil. So if I click on United Oil here, and go to the details tab, what I see is the annual revenue is 5.6 million. And what I want to do with this challenge is update that to the highest opportunity. And so if I go back to that opportunity, it doesn't matter which one I'm on, but I went ahead, added a couple actions. So this is going to invoke the flow that I created. So I'm going to run challenge 1 here. It says your flow is finished. And now when I go back to United Oil Gas Corporation, click the details, I can see the annual revenue updated to the 915,000. So this flow is working correctly, and I can just go ahead and show you what the flow that I made. And so 2 elements here. One is get opportunity. So I'm getting the object opportunity. Condition, stage name has to equal closed won. Going descending by amount, that's going to give me the highest amount, so I don't have to loop through this. So all I needed was just the first record. And then I chose fields in Salesforce and let Salesforce do the rest. So I only needed the amount along with the account ID to pass along. From there, I'm going to update the account. So the object's account. The ID is going to equal that account ID I just got from the opportunity. And then the annual revenue is going to equal the amount that I got from the opportunity. And once this was done, this was complete. I saved it and activated it, and you just saw it run when I hit the challenge 1 button. The next challenge, challenge 2, very similar. It said find the closed won opportunity with the lowest amount value. Then we're going to create a new task. And with that, we're going to have subject follow-up, status not started, and then activity date is 3 days from today. So this one, what I've done is I've sorted all my opportunities here by amount, and now it's ascending. So the smallest one is $5. So if I go to the opportunity on Cookie Monster here, I see there is no task attached to it. And just like the last one, I'm going to run challenge 2. And what this should do is find the opportunity with the lowest amount, which is this Cookie Monster with $5. And it should assign a task to it. So I'm going to go ahead, click this. It says my flow is finished. Go ahead and refresh here. And now that I see there is a new task attached to this. So if I click on this, you can see the subject is follow-up. The day is today is February 27th. So if you add 3 days, you get March 2nd. And then the status is not started. So this looks like this is running correctly. And let's go ahead, look at the flow that I created. It's similar to the last one. So first thing is a get record element. It's going to find the lowest opportunity. And it said similar to the last one, it's opportunities, the object. Stage name is going to equal closed won. It's going to go ascending this time amount. This is going to give me the lowest number. I just need the first one, so I don't need to loop through. And I'm going to automatically store all fields on this one. Next thing, create a record. So I'm going to create a task here. I just needed the 1. Object's going to be task. Activity date, this is a formula. It's a variable that is a formula, and it was just today plus 3. Status, I just typed in not started, subject follow-up, and here I had to connect this with the what ID. So the opportunity that I got, I needed to connect it with the opportunity ID. And this gave me the task. And once I had this, I created an action, and then this worked. But I thought this was a good way just to work with some flows and just kind of be a part of Flowfest. Again, I thought it was such a great idea and just fun to be a participant and just watching people do these and see how their methods might be a little bit different. But again, I thought this was a great project. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching.